I don't want to waste your time. Let us look at 10 foods that make ulcer worse. If you are able to stick to the end, I might add another one, making it 11 foods that can make ulcer worse. The first thing is citrus fruits. If you are one kind of person who likes taking in orange, lemon, and lime, this kind of fruit contains ascorbic acid, and when you take it consistently for a long period of time, it can make your ulcer worse. The second thing is fried foods or fatty food. This kind of food tends to take a long time for your body to digest, and that makes your body to produce a lot of gastric juice. The third thing is carbonated drinks. These kind of drinks that produce a gas sound, like sh sound, it can cause bloating of your stomach, and that can make your ulcer worse. The fourth thing is spicy food. Foods containing a lot of pepper. Let me give you an instance. Let's say you have an external wound and we pour pepper on the wound. What will happen? You will begin to experience intense pain because pepper have been poured on your wound. The same thing happens inside your stomach. So if you are one kind of person who has ulcer, you should avoid or stop the intake of a lot of spicy food. The fifth thing is caffeine or coffee. Now, caffeine or coffee is good for your body. However, if you are one kind of person who has ulcer, you should limit your intake of this caffeine or coffee because it can make your ulcer worse. The sixth thing is alcohol consumption. If you are one kind of person who has ulcer, you have to limit or stop your intake of alcohol. This is because alcohol tends to cause irritation of your stomach lining. Now, one kind of thing that has the same line as alcohol is methylated spirit. Now, if you have a fresh wound and we pour methylated spirit on the wound, what will happen to the wound? You will begin to be experiencing intense pain. So the same thing will happen if you have an ulcer and you consistently take alcohol. The seventh thing is tomato and its products. Now, one thing is that it has acidic content. So if you're one kind of person who has ulcer, you have to limit your intake of tomato and its products because it can make your ulcer worse. The eighth thing is milk. If you are one kind of person who has ulcer, it tends to make your stomach continue to produce gastric juice, and that in return can make your ulcer worse. The ninth thing is chocolate. Yes, chocolate tends to make your stomach lining produce a lot of gastric juice, and if you have ulcer already, you have to limit your intake of chocolate because it can worsen your ulcer. The 10th thing I would want to say is hunger. If you are one kind of person that takes a very long duration of time before you eat, it can make your ulcer worse. This is because your stomach doesn't care whether you have eaten or not. It tends to produce this gastric juice, and when it's being produced and there is no food for you to break it down, it tends to affect or dissolve your stomach lining, and if there is an ulcer, it can make your ulcer worse. The 11th thing that I would want you to know is some lifestyle modifications or changes. If you are one kind of person who likes taking a lot of painkillers like NSAIDs, ibuprofen, diclofenac, naproxen, felvin, these kind of medications tend to limit the production of mucous lining. Also, if you are one kind of person that always sleep immediately you eat, that can also make your ulcer worse. This is because the moment you eat, your body tends to produce a lot of gastric juice in order to break down the food which you have eaten. So once you sleep immediately you have eaten, your body is unable to digest the food, and that can make your ulcer worse. Also, if you are one kind of person that always have prolonged fasting, now have it in mind that fasting itself does not cause ulcer. However, if you have ulcer already, you shouldn't go on a very long duration of fast because it can make your ulcer worse. So these are certain kind of things that I would want you to know in this video. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.